Hi guys, it's Anna here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to be answering a grade 7 energy and change question taken from the Herzia Middle School June 2016 exam paper. So let's dive straight in. We're going to be answering question 1.6 and that question paper, and the question reads, the temperature at which a solid changes into a liquid is what? Okay, and the options we have are A, melting point, B, boiling point, C, evaporation point, and D, freezing point. Now the answer here is A, because the temperature at which a solid changes into a liquid is actually the melting point. The answer is not B, because the boiling point is the temperature at which a liquid boils and turns into a vapor. Okay? Evaporation point is also incorrect, because this is the temperature at which a liquid changes into a vapor as well, but the difference between evaporation point and boiling point is that the evaporation point is at a temperature that's less than the boiling point. Okay, and the freezing point is also the incorrect answer, because this is the opposite of what the scenario we're given here. The freezing point is actually the temperature at which a liquid changes into a solid. Alright, so 1.6, the temperature at which a solid changes into a liquid is the melting point. Okay, so that's that for question 1.6. But before I go, I'd like to say a special thank you to our epic sponsor for making this video possible. You can read about them and about us in the description below. And be sure to head over to our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, send it to us and we'll respond with the personalized video just for you. And until the next time, stay epic.